This, ladies and gentlemen, is the traffic that I was talking about. This is a better representation of the traffic that should have been in the other lane splitting video. What's going on, guys? Red One here, and we're back. Fucking Jesus Christ. Screw the intro, y'all. What's good with everybody, man? This is a better representation of the traffic that I'm always speaking about. I know a couple of you guys have commented down in that doobly-doo bar down below that comment section about, hey man, that doesn't look like a lot of traffic. And you're right, it wasn't. I just had a point to make it. I made that point, but I didn't do it at the best opportune time. This is what I was referring to. This traffic. It's funny now that I start the vlog, the traffic kind of lets up a little bit, but this is the traffic that I was referring to, man. This is what I do not like riding in. I really don't. And so, yeah, let's see. I'm probably going to be home within the next 20 minutes. Whereas if I was in a car, I would be somewhere way back that direction. But because I'm riding, is it really worth the extra 20 minutes sitting at the house? Well, it'd be a little, actually, yeah, it'd be way more than, it'd probably be like 30 minutes, to be honest. I don't know, this traffic seems really crazy today, even though it's picking up now, but I don't know. I do appreciate all the comments. I haven't gotten around to really responding back to everybody. Ghost Ninja, what you want, dude? Ghost Ninja says, Ghost Ninja out here sharing bodybuilder pic. Come on, Ghost. You out here showing bodybuild something? I don't know. I gotta check it when I get home. Come on, son, you gotta do better. So guys, the video that's playing now is the video that I should have played while making the last video, but it's all good, man. I wanted to speak to y'all a little bit anyways. I want to let you guys know that Red One Radio is kicking off this next Monday. I believe it's the first Monday. Oh, that's right, Monday, y'all. I'm taking over Monday, man. Reason why I'm taking over Monday is because I'm off on Monday, so Monday is a perfect day for me to be able to run the show, man. And plus, you know, I do miss good old Ian 187 Monday night. Let's do it live, hang out. So, Ian, I hope to make you proud, sir. Oh, what then the actual fuck did I just run over? That actually threw my bike around a little bit. But yes, guys, this Monday, Red One Radio Season 2. We got a brand new young and upcoming moto vlogger coming to the show, man. Not gonna let y'all know who it is, because if I told y'all who it is, then, man, just stick around, guys. It's gonna be a good show, man. Hopefully Season 2 ends up being a really good thing, man. I'm here to help you guys, because I know what it's like trying to start a channel, man. It's not fun, and it's hard. And especially now, because you can't even monetize it. 0 views anymore. I want to help you guys a little bit, man. Hey, if you moto vloggers know any of other smaller channels, hey, let them know that I'm doing this. Also, the person that's coming out the gate is the example that I want to set. This person I chose as the first person coming on the show because he did his intro right, yo. His intro was fire, son. So, I got to put him on, you know what I mean? So make sure you guys watch this first show going down this Friday, Saturday, Monday. Just go through all the days of the week until I get it right. Monday, going down this Monday on the channel, Red One Radio, Season 2. Police are not invited. And we're going to have ourselves a good time, y'all. Oh, yeah. Traffic sucks, though, man. Traffic sucks. Anyways, guys, let me get up off of here. Let me get my behind to his house. Let me upload this beautiful moto vlog so I can get it out to you guys. And always, I apologize for not uploading content, guys. Your boy out here hustling, trying to make him some money. Hey, now you notice me. There you go, buddy. oh yeah, I'm hustling, y'all. I'm out here making this bread. So therefore, I just really haven't a lot of time to dedicate toward making vlogs. You know what I'm saying? But eventually, I'm gonna get back to my grind. And what I do, it may be too late. You two could be DED dead already. Anyways, with that being said, guys, I'm Red One, and as always, ride safe and all that other shit.